Yes, sir. March 1st, the first of the month. Gotta clean everything, including your car. Everything is new. It's here at the park. About to get a little walk and run in. Today's, again, Sunday, March 1st. And we're gonna start the month off right. We're gonna keep this momentum that we've started in 2026. And like I said, we're gonna get to it. That's the plan. I wanted to do something different with y'all today. Again, a part of growing and changing is getting your health right. And so that's what we're doing today. We're gonna take a moment to take a walk, maybe do a little light jog. And yeah, enjoy nature. Right now, again, it's about 68 degrees in Atlanta, which is perfect to bring in the month of March. And it feels good. Feel good out here. I don't know if y'all can tell, but this is an incline, man. I will run this, but we're gonna take it slow today. We're gonna take it slow. We think this is in Atlanta, but this is where we at. See, this is a reservoir. Pretty crazy, look nice and fun. I don't know exactly what a reservoir is used for, but I'm sure it's used to store and recycle water. Crazy out here, right? This is beautiful, man. Shit we gotta be grateful for, because God put us on this earth to enjoy it and to admire His work. This is God's word only, man. Ain't nobody do this. I don't know exactly what a reservoir is used for, but I'm sure it's used to store and recycle water. It's crazy. This is beautiful, man. Shit we gotta be grateful for, because God put us on this earth to enjoy and to admire His work. This is God's work only, man. Can't nobody do this. I mean, of course, I'm sure male or humans came out and did what they did, but again, this is the foundation. This is God's foundation. Yeah, man, but say, man, we out here. Just again, enjoying nature. So, like I was saying, I didn't record much last week. A lot was going on. As far as work, I was very busy. And I was selling shit, making money, getting ahead for the month of March. So I got a good head start right now with work and in my commission base. Again, I do sell insurance for y'all that don't know. But these are things that are a part of my life, and I want to share with you guys. Like, we're all going through it. We're all here for something, and again, I just want to document this journey, man. Things are going to get better. There's a lot of things that I want to do in life, and I'm working towards. So like I said, I'm documenting and holding myself accountable of these things that I claim I want. You know what I'm saying? But all in all, I want y'all to continue to like, comment, and subscribe. A few of y'all have, and I appreciate the support, the love, the follow. I'm going to keep building my YouTube and just being more vulnerable, being more fun and exciting and showing a lot more things. I have a lot in the future and I want y'all to stay tuned. Stay tuned for sure. Like I said, I'm here. We here. We ain't going nowhere. We started this journey 2026 of recording, and we gonna finish. We're gonna finish strong. And again, my goal here is not to monetize or just, you know, be popular or be known. It's just, again, get people to relate to what I'm going through, because I'm sure a lot of people are going through the same thing I'm going through with work-life balance and a lot. So stay tuned. Another Monday, and we're here in the office, putting in some work, doing some insurance quotes. Just wanted to check in with you guys because it's now Monday, March the 2nd, and again, it's the first week of the month, and we gotta push through. Yeah, just coming to you guys. I want y'all to start the week off with me, setting new boundaries, setting new goals, and getting things done. We here, like I said, 2026, we working hard, and we're here in the office today on this Monday, and I'm excited about the week and what it's going to bring. New fortunes, new blessings, and we just checking in, but we in the office today. Got a little Target little pickup. Not major.